are politically incorrect. If flop ayenzayo uJuju, the problem. Good Nyamuzwa, he said the borders gate must be removed. Obvious, they are going to flock to South Africa, all of them, because in South Africa, here is stylish, here is fruitful and productive. You go to other countries, you can see the difference when you come from South Africa. You know where I come from, it's not like this.
Yeah.
Other countries are still behind.
African countries.
Yes, irrespective, they had Abu Idi Amin dictatorship, one man, one vote. What? The one man, one vote thing, it has caused sanctions. Abu KFC, it's new things now. Ngaya Swaziland. Dalanyana. Ngathola bashaya ipizza self-made. Angeke uyidle. One bite enough. Yakuklapela. Ama sanctions. Angeke basinabo dibonez. Asali izingamla, ispider web sengamla.